A curious learner follows migratory birds that navigate continents using Earth's magnetic field. Scientists revealed magnetoreception, a sense letting birds detect magnetic north through proteins in their eyes. Experiments show birds drift when this sense is disrupted, yet they recover direction with a rightful internal compass. The system blends sun cues, polarized light, and brain signals, turning a faint physics lesson into a grand voyage. Studying this feathered magic inspires engineers to design navigation tools and reminds us to respect nature's clever solutions that adapt to weather, wind, and signal loss.